Have you ever wondered why your money doesn't go as far as it used to, or how the entire economy works? Well, stick around for a quick and clear guide to basic economic concepts explained in simple, everyday terms. Do me a favor, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell before you leave. I wanted to remind you that I will be posting every Monday and every Friday of every week. So stay tuned. Welcome back to my YouTube talks. So let's jump right in. A depression is a severe and prolonged downturn in economic activity. It's like a very bad recession that lasts for years, causing widespread hardship and significant declines in income, employment, and production. During a depression, many people lose their jobs, leading to high unemployment and reduced consumer spending. Businesses struggle during a depression, with many closing down or reducing operations due to decreased demand and financial difficulties. Prices for goods and services often fall during a depression, a phenomenon known as deflation, which can further harm the economy. Individuals and businesses face financial hardships, leading to increased bankruptcies and foreclosures. Governments play a crucial role in addressing depressions by implementing measures to stimulate the economy, create jobs, and support those who've been affected. A deficit occurs when expenses exceed income, leading to a negative balance. This situation can happen in various contexts, such as government spending, trade, or the balance of payments. A budget deficit occurs when money going out or spending exceeds money coming in or revenue during a defined period, usually within a fiscal year. Governments may finance deficits through borrowing, which can lead to national debt. For instance, in the fiscal year 2024, the federal government spent $6.75 trillion and collected $4.92 trillion in revenue, resulting in a deficit, the amount by which spending exceeds revenue. $1.83 trillion in 2024 is referred to as the deficit spending. Trade deficit happens when a country imports more goods and services than it exports. For example, if the U.S. imports $500 billion worth of goods, but only exports $300 billion, it has a trade deficit of $200 billion, meaning we imported more than we exported. Balance of payments deficit occurs when a country's debits exceeds its credits in transactions with the rest of the world. While deficits can help a country recover from economic downturns and encourage consumer spending, long-term deficits can hurt the overall health of an economy by leading to higher interest rates and increased debt. The cost of servicing debt can also use up resources that could be more productively used elsewhere. An asset is anything of value, owned by an individual, corporation, or country. Assets can provide future economic benefits through revenue generation, cost savings, or appreciation. There are several types of assets. Tangible assets are physical items, such as real estate, machinery, inventory, and vehicles. These assets can be used in operations or sold to generate cash. Intangible assets are non-physical items, such as patents, trademarks, copyrights, brand recognition, and goodwill. These assets can provide competitive advantages and generate revenue. Financial assets involve investments like stocks, bonds, bank deposits, and mutual funds. These assets can generate income through dividends, interest, or capital gains. The last example on my list would be human assets, which are skills, expertise, and knowledge of employees or even individuals, which can enhance productivity and innovation. Understanding the core concepts of economics can empower you to make informed decisions in your personal and professional life, whether it's managing your budget or just investing wisely. A solid grasp of these principles can lead to greater financial stability and success. Remember, information is your greatest asset. Thanks for joining me, and I will see you in my next video to your left.